So in part D, we introduce a second bird, and they have a couple rules which they follow by flying. So they never sit on the same post. They always fly to the posts at the same time. If they are on adjacent posts, the bird on post B will always fly to the vacant end of the free end of the post. The other bird will either fly to B with a probability of 0.4 or stay with a probability of 0.6. And if they're both on the ends of the posts, they will either return to their same post with a probability of 0.5. However, if they both try and fly to the middle post, to post B, they will return to their initial post as well. So we are given this new diagram that represents the vertices represent the posts that are occupied, and we need to write down the value of A, B, and C. So firstly, what we can notice is A. So for example, A is going to be when A and B are occupied and they go to B and C. So we need to find the probability of going from A, B to B and C. And what we are told in the first condition that if two adjacent posts are occupied, the one in the middle will always fly to the free end. So that has simply as a probability of 1. And the probability of the bird on A flying to B is going to be 0.4. So this will have a probability of 0.4. And then if we look at an arrow for B, for example, that's the probability that A goes to A. So we see we go from AC to AB. So the only way that's really possible is if A stays on its own post and the bird on C goes to B. So A stays on A, and we multiply it with the probability that C goes to B. Well, we're told in the last condition that if they're both on the ends, they have a probability of 0.5 in either going to the middle or to the end. So these both have a probability of 0.5. So this is 0.25. And then the last one, C, that's going to be, for example, when AC and they stay on AC. So probability of going from AC to AC so they don't move. So that there are two cases. They can either both just go in a circle and just stay, or they can both try and go to B, because also in that case they will return to their initial posts. So this will be the first case, so when they both just stay on the same post, 0.5 times 0.5. And to this we add the case when they both try and go to the middle. That's also going to be 0.5 times 0.5. So this will be 0.5.